Hello friends. So I have restarted my PC and now as you can see it is working fine. I just click on the URL at this localhost URL and that JNLP file has been downloaded. So just click on run. Again you can click on run. You have to just uh, use this URL. It will download your file. As you can see, launch Mirth Connect Administrator. It will download that file, then we can run that. As you can see uh, that my application is getting loaded. As you can see that we have installed Mirth correctly. You as you know, default password for a Mirth is a admin. Okay, cool. So it is getting loaded. It is loading extension authenticating the ID and password. So that's all this. So now today we have learned how we install the Mirth setup. So we have faced one issue also. So in that case, try to restart the Mirth service. You can do it one or two times and wait for few minutes. Uh, in few moments, your Mirth service will be automatically uh, started, and you can if it doesn't work, then you can restart your PC and it will resolve your problem. Okay, friends. This setup we have already done in the previous videos. So this is just a demo profile, or you can put it whatever you want. So, okay, friends, we will see some more videos.